I attended the Stitches SoCal in Pasadena, California. I wanted to share some of that with you today. And stay tuned for the KDGECKO Knits podcast, which will launch sometime around Thanksgiving. Thanks and happy knitting.
All you do with this, pardon me, is when you have your shawl on, whether you do it on your shoulder or here in the middle, you get your two pieces together, you take a shawl pin, and you grab through both layers about a half an inch to an inch.
Oh, that's so cool.
Wherever this wants to land down here, you grab about the same. Once you're anchored, then I put my fingers under here and I go like this.
Hi.
So we're going to start over in our project bags. So all of Erin Lane project bags are self-locking and machine washable.
Okay.
So once you pull them closed, they're closed for good until you open them back up. And then we have a lineup of all of our different sizes around the booth. So the sock bag lets you snap it right on, so you can travel really well with that.
Oh, can you show us? Can you take
Yeah.
Yeah.
Make sure.
Look at
So-
how cute.
Stays shut, and then you just put it on your belt loop,
Oh, wow. Look
or
at that.
on like your plane's tray table, or in
Yeah.
your car, the handle.
Oh, wow.
I never know
that's
what people
cool.
call that because my mom called it a very interesting choice word.
Oh, what a great idea.
So all of the sheet fabrics are designed by Lindsay, and this is Lindsay's new fabric collection too. Each one has a theme, so this is Outlander.
Oh my God, these are so cute.
And then head towards the back wall, which is our
Okay.
next big thing. These are our knit packs for organizing needles,
needles,
notions,
yeah.
and crochet hooks. So all of them are different configurations based on what you have, but they all have an adjustable magnet, so as you fill them up, they grow.
Oh, wow, how clever.
And then
Here at Invictus Yarns, and tell me your name, please.
My name is Sue.
And can you tell me about your yarn?
Sure. I named the company Invictus Yarns just because I like the idea that it gave the whole strength, courage kind of feeling to it. I realized that's kind of what I got out of playing in the dye pods.
Oh, cool.
I started out just doing self-striping yarns and kind of grew from that to the other things. Based with basic sock yarns to start with, and have been adding new bases until now I have some baby camel silk blends.
These are so soft and beautiful. Oh
It's
my
a
gosh.
50-50 baby camel silk. This is my newest one. It hasn't even made it to the shop yet.
Oh, wow.
It's superwash
yak.
merino, silk, and yak,
Oh my
and it is
goodness.
just so
This
smushy.
is so luscious. Oh my God. You guys, look at how great this is. It is so soft.
And they're so neat because they take the colors differently, because the yak yarn is actually a different color than a regular creamy merino-based yarn.
What
So,
color is it?
It's hard to describe. It's not brown, it's not gray, it's somewhere in between.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, it's really kind of neat.
Oh, that's
like
cool.
this colorway looks like this on a
Oh,
merino
yeah.
silk cashmere blend. It's the
It's
yak that
similar,
makes
but
the
just
difference.
slightly different.
Yeah,
Look at that. Oh, that's
And then the
very
camel
cool.
has more of like a tan base to it than
Okay.
a cream, so it comes out a little differently on that
Wow,
one
it's
too.
really beautiful. Very beautiful. And the sock yarn? What is it? What kind of base is that?
I've got a couple of Master of My Feet is my best-selling one. It's an 80-20 merino nylon blend.
Okay.
Adventure is a 75-25 merino
Great.
blend.
Super
From-
fab.
um,
Look at all these great colors, you guys. Every single color.
And Boomer is kind of fun. It's got some of the bamboo in it, so it gives it a really nice feel.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, that's very soft, too.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my goodness.
Unconquerable Soul
Scarf.
has BFL for a
Nice.
blue-faced Leicester
Yeah.
versus a merino, so it's a little bit longer staple. Still soft, but very sturdy.
Mm-hmm. And little sparklies.
The
We have
little
to have our little
sparklies.
sparklies.
Yes, the girl's got a bling.
That's right. Bling, bling, bling. Oh, fabulous. Well, thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thanks.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye-bye.